Hi, today Edwin is going to argue on culture intelligence and how being culturally intelligent is helpful. Culture intelligence is defined by a person's capability to adapt new culture environment. There are over 7 billion of us speaking over 6,000 different languages with different culture which represents each individual. According to David Limore, culture intelligence is described as the ability to be effective across various cultural contexts. He also says that culture intelligence is the level of effectiveness working across cultures. Culture intelligence provides insights about an individual's ability to cope in multicultural situations, engage in cross cultural interaction, perform in culturally diverse work groups. What is cultural awareness? Cultural awareness is the foundation of cultural intelligence. Combining the two characteristics allows us to work effectively in multicultural workplaces. Cultural self awareness is the outcome of the shared knowledge, experience, and behavior which contributes to cultural intelligence. Cultural awareness becomes significant when there's interaction between people from different cultures. Misinterpretation or misunderstandings occur primarily when we lack awareness of our own behavior rules and project them on others. One must be able to recognize the difference and distinguish and believe that your way may not be the right way. According to Quope and Contotres Article 2007, cultural awareness regards us to step back and observe our culture while discovering why we see the things the way we do. In the modern world, we do not always work with the people who come from the same culture and background as us. That is where cultural intelligence comes into play. Behavior of different people from different countries may be interpreted differently. As Matsumoto says, which are the behaviors that each culture expects its members to engage in, which means that each culture has its own behavior. For example, in India, people prefer to eat with their hands, whereas in Australia, people prefer forks and knives. Cultural intelligence is seen daily at uni and workplaces. Students come from all over the world, meeting each other and sharing ideas, offering each other's taste of their particular culture. Individual has to be culturally intelligent to learn from their culture and respect them. Similarly, in workplaces, there might be people from different cultures again, requiring us to be culturally intelligent to avoid conflicts. At some point during the cultural adjustment process, you will probably experience culture shock. Culture shock is caused by the stress of being in a new culture and is a normal part of adjusting to a new place. Your own values are continually brought into question. Also, you are cut off from the culture clues and known patterns with which you are familiar. Cultural shock has four phases. Firstly, the honeymoon stage, characterized as euphoria, excitement, fascination, etc. Secondly, the crisis stage, in which you start feeling inadequacy, frustration, anxiety, irritation, etc. Third, the recovery stage, in which you start to understand the new culture and to create a comfort zone. And the fourth stage, the complete adjustment. In this, you learn to accept the things the way they are and has embraced some of the culture particularities of the host country. I would like to conclude by saying that cultural self awareness is cultural intelligence, which means being culturally self aware will help you to interact with culturally diverse people, hence making you culturally intelligent.